Hi students, welcome back to my class. Let me solve some examples on topologies. Give an example of a non-empty proper subset of a topological space such that it is both open and closed. In this example, here we have to give one example of non-empty proper subset of topological space such that it is both open as well as closed. Okay, solution. Let X equals set of A, B, C. This is non-empty set. Now write the topology for X. Tau equals X pi should be there. X pi singleton set A, set of B comma C. This implies tau is a topology for X. X and pi are there. If you take union of any two elements, obviously this element belongs to tau. If you take the intersection, then also the element belongs to tau. Therefore, tau is a topology for X. It is clear that singleton set A is open. Every member of open tau are the open sets. Clear that singleton set A is open. Now take the complement. A complement equals X minus this singleton set A. Then we get set of B comma C. Okay, this is also a member of tau. Therefore, this is open. Singleton set A, complement of singleton set A is open. This shows that this singleton set A is closed. Okay, thus singleton set A is a non-empty proper subset of X that is both open and closed. Here, this is a member of tau. Therefore, this is open set. And if you take the complement, then also we get BC, which is also open. Therefore, complement of A is open. Complement of singleton set A is open, nothing but this singleton set A is closed. Therefore, this singleton set A is both open as well as closed. Next, give an example of a non-trivial topological space in which open sets are exactly same as closed set. Here, we have to give one more example of a topological space in which open sets and closed sets are same. Let R be the set of real numbers. Let tau be the family consisting of 5 and all those subsets G of R which satisfy the property that X belongs to G implies minus X also belongs to G. Then it's easy to verify that tau is a topology for R. Now, if G be any arbitrary open subset of R, then we claim that G is closed. G is any arbitrary open subset of R. We claim that G is closed. G is closed, nothing but complement of G is open. Suppose X belongs to G complement implies X does not belongs to G. X does not belongs to G implies minus X does not belongs to G. Minus X does not belongs to G. This implies minus X belongs to G complement. Thus, G is open. G complement is open implies G is closed. That is, every open subset of R is closed. Similarly, every closed subset of R is open. Hence, open subsets of R exactly the same as closed sets. Example, let X equals set of A, B, C, tau equals set of pi, singleton set A, X, set of B comma C. Here the closed sets are pi. Pi complement is X. X is a closed set. These are members of tau. They are open sets. Their complements are closed sets. Singleton set A complement is, if you remove A in X, we get BC. BC is closed. Next, BC complement. If you remove BC, we get A. Singleton set A, X. X minus X is pi. Therefore, X, singleton set A, set of BC, pi are closed sets. Next, a topological space X tau is said to be a Dor space if every subset of X either open or closed. Give an example of Dor space. Here, we have to give one example of a topology such that every subset of X is either open or closed. Let X equals set of A, B, C. Tau equals collection of pi, singleton set B, set of AB, set of BC, X. Then closed sets are, these all are open sets, their complements are closed sets. Pi complement X, B complement AC, AB complement C, BC complement singleton set A, X complement pi. These all are closed sets. So here, if we take all the subsets of ABC, they are either open or closed. X and pi open as well as closed. Singleton set A close, singleton set B, it is in this one open, singleton set C, here this is closed. Set of AB open, set of BC open. If you take set of AC, here AC, this is closed. Hence all the subsets of X are either open or closed, and consequently X tau is a Dor space. Next theorem, intersection and union of closed sets. Theorem, in a topological space X tau, the intersection of an arbitrary family of closed set is a closed set.